If you have an emergency or something in your life that comes up and you need to cancel a class, it can really be daunting as an online teacher, but thankfully Outschool has one of the best cancellation policies that is really simple and straightforward to do. So in this video, I'm gonna take you through a really straightforward, easy tutorial on how to cancel one-time, multi-day, and ongoing classes on Outschool. So let's get into it. We are going to start with how to cancel one-time classes. So go into your one-time class that you are canceling and pick the section you need to cancel. And then you're going to go over to edit on the class page. And now you should see that class and when you are meeting. You're going to go all the way down to cancel this section, and you're just going to click that cancel and it will be canceled, no problem. And as you can see here, this class has 0 learners, so you will not need to refund the learners in this one. It is just canceled. Keep in mind that Outschool will automatically cancel a class if it has 0 learners at the 24-hour mark. So if you want to cancel anytime before that 24 hours, you can do this. This is a section that actually has learners in it, so you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to see something a little bit different at the bottom. You're going to see cancel and refund learners. And this is going to automatically refund those learners so that they're not paying for a class that they cannot take. Before you cancel a class with learners already enrolled, I would send a message on the class page right here. So add a new post and explain why you are canceling the class. And then I would also send each learner's parents an individual message explaining the cancellation as well, and maybe even offering to transfer them into another section or offering another class that they can take because they're very interested in taking a class with you. If you need to cancel a multi-day class that is a little bit different, you're going to go into the section you need to cancel. And if it has no enrolled learners, you can go over to that edit, go down, and you can just cancel this section. And then it says up here, section canceled successfully. If you need to cancel, let's say 1 day or 2 days of a multi-day course, what you're going to need to do is you can either press this X here and add a makeup meeting time, or you're going to have to email support@outschool.com to explain the situation in order to actually cancel any date of that class. There is no way to refund the parents unless you actually email Outschool. If you need to cancel an ongoing class, and I actually find that these are the easiest to kind of slide around in your schedule, you can do the same thing we did before, which is go into the class, click on the section that you need to cancel, go to edit, go all the way down, and then you can just X out the date that you need to cancel. So if you only need to cancel 1 class or 2 classes, then click that red X. If you need to cancel an ongoing class section, go all the way down now, and you will see this stop button, and it says stop after March 28th. Okay, so that's when my week ends this week. So if you needed to cancel the class of the week that you're teaching it, you need to make sure that you're canceling it before the Sunday of that week, or else the parents are going to pay for the class that week and you'll be too late to cancel it. So make sure that you're canceling it before Sundays. Now, emergencies do happen, so if that happens, you can email the parents, and then what you can do to refund them is go to learners, select a learner, select change enrollment, and then you can always refund them for the class this week if you need to cancel it right away and you didn't have time to cancel it before the Sunday of the week that the class is happening. So you can just refund down here. With cancellations on Outschool, communication really is the key. So just make sure that you are communicating as much as you can, typing a message in the class page and also sending a message to parents and also telling the students, if you can, during the class time, a week or 2 before you actually have to cancel the class. So yeah, just try your best to communicate, and if it is really a huge emergency, I find that the parents are really understanding on Outschool as long as you're communicating with them and letting them know as much as you can about the situation. So I hope this video on how to cancel classes helped you, so that if you have any future cancellations, you're going to be able to get through that yourself, and I hope to see you in the next video.